Hi, this is Calvin from Hill Country Building and Renovation, HCBR, Texas. This is my second video today of our pour here in Canyon Lake. And we've got a lot of concrete down and starting to get it finished out. And these guys are still smiling after hours. They're just having so much fun. So this slab is 40 feet wide and 100 feet long, and it's got a patio off to the side there. Things are going very well. The rain is held off. It's not very cold today, or at least it's warmed up, and we're still pumping concrete. So this is Kenan. He's the one that signs the checks. I'm still waiting for my check, but I haven't got it yet.
Well, we'll see.
So actually, this works pretty good. A bigger slab actually works better than a smaller slab because you can be pouring on this end and be finishing on this other end. So that works out pretty good. And this is the pump operator. and his job is just like playing video games like all day. So, you know,
That's
I mean,
why I'm an expert at it. I studied hard.
That's right, and he gets paid to do that. So yeah. You know, what the heck. So this is off the ground pretty good. Now this is a pretty good idea to have an apron to keep the concrete off of you. I gave him a little bit of a hard time earlier because I thought he was wearing a dress, but it's not. It's an apron. So that's a really good idea. So anyways, we like to pour concrete. We like concrete day. Lots of equipment and action going on and things being done. And the most important part is that we got people that know what they're doing. So Kenan, how many trucks do we have today?
Today we have 18.
18 trucks.
180 yards.
180 yards. So much fun. So, anyways, we only have one condition. We had one of the Ingram trucks kind of blow up, and he was able to get out of the way, but he's kind of dead in the water right now. So, but he's empty. He was able to empty out before the engine sort of blew up. Anyways, this is the kind of thing we do. We do a lot of projects. We do large projects. We do steel buildings. We build sweat equity homes, detached garages, additions, and actually we have a very interesting project coming up in Bernie where we're taking a pole barn that's 50 feet wide and 80 feet long, and we're going to turn that into a barndominium. So we do barndominiums as well. So anyways, you can see our highlights and video, lots of photos on our website, which is www.hcbrtexas.com. And what's your next awesome project, and how can we help you out with that?